Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel. Okay, for today, we will look at my bicycle. Look at my bicycle. It's so pretty. Okay, if you're new to the channel guys, what we do here is we look at new toys, gadgets, and many other things you can buy. And then I review it for you. So if you want me to buy something, you tell me about it and I will buy it if I can have money to buy it. Yes, okay, today, let's review the bike. Say hello to my bicycle. All right, today we will check out all our different gadgets when you bicycle, okay? And there's plenty gadgets you need, but the very first one we'll need is to mount your camera. There's my camera, an old GoPro, and I bought this mount, a GoPro mount. There, you can put on the handlebar using Allen wrench. Can you see it's fuzzy? It's not focus your camera there underneath. It's the Allen wrench, and then you put it on your handlebars in front, and then you look at that. I put my GoPro, and then I can record my ride. Okay, so that's the first gadget you want to have. You can also use that to put your cell phone, but I don't have cell phone mount. I put it somewhere else. I show you later. Okay. And the next gadget I show you is for safety when you go outside of your house, okay? You have to have your locks, okay? This one, I use my locks. It's there. I put it in front of the handlebars. And then you can have a key to lock your bike when you're going to the malls or somewhere else, okay? And then, of course, I want to show you my brakes and my shock absorbers over there so you can see, look at that. This is an electric bike, okay? So if you see, I have horns and I have lights in the handlebars. Okay, now, let's talk about the next gadget. This next gadget is my favorite of all. But it's not so very good. You take a look. This is the brake light and signal light controller. There, you can push the button in the middle and then push it in the left. It will turn left like that, the lights. Okay, now I demonstrate to you how I use this brake light. Okay, you can turn on first the back or the front, whichever you want. You can adjust also the remotes. Okay, and both of these remotes of these lights have two separate batteries, so you have to charge separate. Okay, we charge in front and then charge the light at back. Okay, but if I press that, and if I press that, it's left turn, and then the right turn, and then the one on top, if it's blinking or not blinking or steady, and then the other one at the bottom, if it's full brake. Ayan. Look at that. It's right side signal because I press right. Then I put brake, whoop, brake. It's gonna blink, whoop, not blinking that one. If I press again, it's gonna blinking the brake light. So it's a flasher. And that's the different kinds of modes of this one. Okay, and then there's the lock. Now, the downside of the brake lights is that it very difficult because sometimes they don't talk to each other. They don't sync. Okay. Another gadgets I use is the one that holds the cell phone when I rides. Look, there's the cell phone holder and there's the armband. Okay, you can take out the cell phone even if you wear the armband. Look at that. I wear the armband without the cell phone holder. Okay, that's what I use to measure my ride. And then, very last, of course, because you measure your ride, you need an app. Okay, this is the app I use. Cadence, that's the name in the iPhone. Okay, Cadence app, and it will tell you everything that you have done and what you will do in your biking. Where you go, where is it going up and down, and then if it falls, you have watch, it can track your falls. There you go guys, I hope you like this video, and if you want to ask if the kinds of gadgets I bought, you just send me a message and I tell you. And then if you want me to buy something else, you also tell me, and then if it's not expensive, if I have money guys, I will buy. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Bye!